voice? Okay, I know you hear my voice. You hear my voice from Rita Group front-end channel. This lesson is about margin and padding in CSS. What is margin and padding? Margin make a space for us or for our elements make a space around our elements, but padding is different. Make a space around our element content. Let's go check it. At the first, I made 3 elements and add border with 100 pixel and height 100% and height 200 pixel. Okay, let's go open this in live server. This is our result, but I think this is a lot. Let's do this. Yes, can you see, guys? For example, I want to add padding to my one element. What is the class? Element one. Okay, let's write this. Let's do it quickly. Okay, padding by default, for example, I add 10 pixel. Can you see? Add 10 pixel from top, left, right, and bottom. But how we can add padding just top or bottom? Okay, guys, here we set this 0 pixel. Can you see? The padding just applied from top and bottom. But if I add this, for example, 5 pixel padding add from right and left, and 10 pixel from top and bottom. But if we use this just with one value, it's applied to padding right, left, top, and bottom. But how we can make these for example customize? For example, I want to add 10 pixel from top and 5 pixel from right, or 6 pixel from bottom, and for left another value. Okay, guys, padding and margin start from, for example, top, right, bottom, left. This is top value. If we write 4 values, this is top value, and I add 5 pixel for right value, and for bottom value 8 pixel, and for left value I add 16 pixel. Okay, let's see the result. Can you see 16 pixel, 10 pixel from top, and 8 pixel 5 pixel from right, and 8 pixel from bottom, and 16 pixel from left. Okay, guys, this is padding. Make a space between our content. This is too easy. You can write this like this, for example, padding right, padding left, padding top, and padding bottom. But no difference between, for example, this or this. 0 pixel from top, 10 pixel from right, 0 pixel from bottom, and 0 pixel from left. You can don't write pixel like this. No difference between this line and this line. Okay, for margin, this rule is same. It's a start from top to right, bottom, and left. All right, a clock. Okay, guys, let's go check, for example, margins. I said margin make a space between around our element. For example, I want to add margin 10 pixel for all sides, top, right, bottom, and left. 10 pixel. Can you see our 2 elements get margin from top, left, bottom, but it's not get margin from right. Yes, it's get. If I write this, for example, 10 pixel, 0 from right, 10 pixel, and 10 pixel. Okay, what's happened? Let's go. It's a brick overflow. Okay, and here is our problem. Can you see? But we can again write, for example, take 10 pixel from top and bottom, and 0 pixel from right and left, and again we can write like this. Can you see? Okay, guys, this is margin and padding. Please remember this: margin make a space around our elements, but padding make a space around our context. They are too easy. Again, you can write margin like this, margin right, margin left, margin top, like padding. We have 4 value. We can write this in one line. It's the better way. Why we should write, for example, 4 line for a margin, which we can write like this. Okay guys, subscribe our channel. Have a good time and goodbye.